Hey guys, so we're back to fast food ngayon, alright? So today we'll be having Chowking, alright? Chowking. I'm having yung sweet and sour pork laureate nila, okay? So ano naman ito? Yung sweet sour pork, yung pancit, fried rice, yung kropek na makunat, and of course yung buchi. Yung buchi panalo dito, yung pinaka-dessert natin, okay? So before that, let's measure our sugar. Okay, so it's 106. So we're doing okay now. So tikman natin and then we'll get back to you in 1 hour. Alam mo yung masarap sa pagkain? Yung libre. Okay? So, shoutout nga pala sa anak ko. Maraming salamat, Mix. Yun lang. Okay, it's been an hour, so tingnan natin kung ano ang kinalabasan ng aking blood sugar sa pagkain ng sweet and sour pork ng Chowking, pork laureate, okay? So medyo, I already have a feeling na it's not gonna be that good. Yes, tama ako, hindi maganda, okay? 202 guys. So medyo mataas. Bakit? Una sa lahat, syempre may rice ka, okay? Fried rice yun, so may konti pong mantika. Secondly, and that's carbs. Secondly, may pancit. Pancit is also carbs. Diba? Third, the fact na yung in-order ko, sweet and sour pork. Sweet, obviously. May asukal din. So, added sugar din yon. Okay? And then, of course, yung buchi, the buchi in itself, matamis, and at the same time, glutinous rice din yon. So, puro carbs. So, that's the reason why medyo mataas talaga yung sugar. Okay? So, ayun. Next time, hanap naman tayo na mas healthy. Alright? See you guys next time.